The Venu SQ is an entry-level device from Garmin. It still has a premium feel and feature set. There's both a version with and without music, and the music version retails at $229.99 or the non-music version $179.99. Before we get into the review, I'd like to ask if you could hit that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up. It would really help the channel and I really appreciate it. The first thing you'll notice about the watch is the rounded rectangular design, which differs from the round design on previous Venu devices. The watch has an LCD display, which differs from the AMOLED display on the Venu and Venu 2. However, the colours are still vibrant and it's more than sufficient. You can either have this set to an always-on display during an activity, or you can use the gesture mode to wake the watch. With the always-on display, it's going to impact the battery life quite a lot, but you should only really require this while cycling. For other activities, your natural movement will be to lift your wrist, so the gesture mode will be fine. The device uses industry standard 20mm watch straps with a quick release, so you should be able to find plenty of third-party watch straps to pick from. On the back of the watch you'll find Garmin's standard charging port along with the Elevate heart rate sensor. This sensor also tracks blood oxygen levels. It's worth noting that this is not Garmin's new Elevate V4 sensor, which is present on the Venu 2, but instead it only has 2 signal paths, but it still performs perfectly well. Here you can see a heart rate comparison between the Venu SQ and the Venu 2, and this is over a 20-minute activity. With the Venu SQ in blue and the Venu 2 in red, you can see that the two readings do deviate slightly, but this can sometimes be explained by just wearing one of the watches a bit too tight. The important thing here is that the average and max heart rates are almost identical. The watch comes with Garmin Pay included for contactless payments. Currently not all banks are supported, but that's slowly growing. Widgets are still a feature which are customizable. These include things like steps, calories burnt, and stress levels. You can select each widget for a more in-depth view, but I would have liked to have seen a similar layout to the Venu 2 glances, but we have to remember this is still an entry-level product, so there will be a few limitations. With the music version, you're able to sync playlists from services such as Deezer, Spotify, and Amazon Music, as well as onboard storage for up to 500 songs. As you have the ability to play music directly from the watch itself, you are able to pair up your Bluetooth headphones, which is quite a simple process. If you opt for the non-music version, you'll still have the ability to control music played directly from the phone, but obviously you can't pair headphones to the watch itself. The device has all-day tracking for heart rate, stress, body battery, and blood oxygen levels. The body battery is determined by the activities performed, number of steps, heart rate levels, and quality of sleep. Sleep data can be analysed on Connect Mobile, which shows you the sleep stages, pulse ox readings, and respiration levels. The downside here is that there is no sleep widget on the watch itself, and the advanced sleep features on the Venu 2, such as sleep scoring, are not present. For activity profiles, there's still a wide selection for both indoor and outdoor activities. The strength profile tracks your reps and determines the type of exercise being carried out. Being an entry-level device, the Venu SQ does not include advanced strength training features, which can be seen on the Venu 2. This includes the feature allowing you to view the animations of the workout before carrying it out. I compared the GPS accuracy against the Venu 2, and while it did a good job, the readings did deviate from the path a lot more, adding 0.3 miles to the total of the activity. But it's worth mentioning this was under heavy tree cover, so essentially both watches did perform quite well. The Venu SQ is a great addition to Garmin's budget lineup, and it feels like the most premium product yet within this price range. So if you're looking for something along the lines of a Venu 2, but a little bit less expensive, then this may be the watch for you. You just have to keep in mind that it's missing a few features such as sleep scoring, advanced workouts, and animated watch faces. I hope you found this video useful, and check out my other videos, I have a lot more coming, and please hit that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up.